found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't.
So this vlog is a Diwali edition vlog. I hope you will like it. So I started cleaning my study table and my other stuffs.
I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't.
So I was thinking of changing my study corner. So I am removing all the wall posters.
Let go, so tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign.
Brought some colors to change my corner. For the background I am keeping white and adding some vibes of nature, so I brought green and brown color.
We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Certain place in time, staring outside the window, watching life go by. The air felt so clean and good as I held your hand in mine. These are